Yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly.
Good morning. What is happening? Hey Paul, what is up? Yo, Corey. Does TPT shut down an account immediately if you violate news rules? No, it wouldn't be immediate. I'm guessing you violated it. You were in on the CPI news. Chrysler, what is going on? What is happening? Alright, I'm just getting my chat set up here. Two times, what is up? You opened a trade after the news was out, but I'm worried. How long? How soon? Hey, Caleb, what is up? John Walk in the house. I found out at 7 p.m. one time. I violated a Fed announcement at 1 p.m. a few hours earlier. Oh. Yeah, you won't know until the at least a minute. If it's over a minute, you should be fine. What is their rule? Let me check here. Yeah, if it's over a minute, you're fine. If it's under a minute, then that is a violation. All right, what we got going on here? Good morning. Good morning. So they consider the news as soon as it's released, and if it's a minute after or a minute before the news is released, so it's right at that specific time. So 8:30 Eastern, 7:30 Central. So if you place a trade, 7:32, you're good. Hey, Feline Futures, what is up? I placed a few trades. Had this inside bar here. Ended up hopping long with 3 contracts. As soon as the bar closed, I just wanted to wait for a little more confirmation before I went long. How you guys doing? Did you guys full port some news? I also am trying out a top 1 25K straight to funded account. It was $90. I do have a code for them. It's Pine, but I'm just trying them out. I have not traded them. I know that you cannot be in a trade less than 10 seconds. That is a rule violation. So 257 on that. But yeah, we'll see. I'll go short off this Harami here. I don't know, it's feeling kind of bullish. Like I might want to take out the data high, but see if I get a little scalp off it. Perhaps a little run back to the VWAP, but we are kind of chopping that range, or we could be chopping this range that we just put in before the news pretty much since 5:30 this morning. take it off there for 5 points. So up 1100 on this account now. Trying to get this one passed. Did lock in a few payouts. So this one's locked in the payout. I locked in a Bulanox payout last night too. So 2 payouts locked in. Nothing major, but enough to pay some bills. $800 payout, or $1,000. 20% split on the core, so $800 on that. Take that tonight as soon as market closes. And Bulanox, about $1,000. So, and I'll request that after market closes as well. 2 minutes, Corey, you're good. Yeah, you should be fine. Was it a good trade? Catch a nice one? Did it seem too good to be true? Feline did not full port any evals. I did not full port any evals. So I find that when you full port evals during the CPI news, it can work. I'm not gonna say it doesn't, but a lot of times the platforms freeze and you can't exit positions. So since you guys are hanging out here and you're early, I'll give you a hint. If you do full port CPI news, did I smash or pass? I did not, Tyler. No, I did not. Hey, Robert, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I waited till after. I got in pretty much all the accounts I was getting in after the news off this inside bar, which is one of my setups anyway. So anyways, but what I was getting at is, if you guys do smash or pass, I find the big news events, you do it with YM. It's a little bit smoother than the NQ. The NQ can be erratic and crazy. But if you were to try to pass like a cheap eval or something, a Bulanox or something like that, oftentimes what I'll do is I'll just do it on YM, and I'll go in full contracts and full port. But just a little hint. No, so yeah, I'm up $100, a little base hit on the Apex accounts. I got a brand new PA, 250K. So these accounts are looking good. Up 3,452 on the largest one and 3,270 on the smallest one. The reason why this one is at 270 is because I accidentally went in 4 contracts when I was trying to just copy trade 1 mini on each one of the accounts. And it immediately went into red, and that was a few days ago. Any idea why MFF can only trade? Yeah, I do actually. Design. Everything is signed and agreed. Yeah, they did have an issue. If you go in the Discord, if you go in their My Fund of Future Discord and you click on, let's see, I'll see if I can find it for you. They did have an issue. Yeah, let me find it here. Jump. Here it is right here. So yeah, here's some instructions. It says go to My Fund of Futures /billing, view market data subscription, hit upgrade. I don't know if that'll help or not, but Hey, Chef Chris, what's up? Oh, maybe there's an issue. And then, there could be an issue, an actual issue. I don't know. It's delayed that you can trade it? That's weird. Hey, Francis, what's going on? Yeah, I decided just to pop on for like an hour or so, just say what's up. My Fun of Futures TV wanted me to go on this morning. I told them I didn't really feel like it, and then I was just like, I kind of felt like I was like, well, maybe I'll just hop on my own stream. I have a question for everyone. You don't have to tell me, but if you are listening or whatever, and did any of you guys reset a My Funded Future account using my code in the last 2 days? The only reason why I ask is I literally have gotten 0 sales, and which is uncommon, and I've had issues in the past where I wasn't getting credit and then they fixed something on their end. But if just kind of curious. Hey Andrew, what is up? They do have, and if you haven't, they do have a good sale, 25% off resets if you use code PINE, going on right now. A nice bear flag, bull flag going on right now. Very bull flagish. You did biocam, huh? Interesting. Thank you. Was it for the like the core accounts and stuff like that, or was it for the to reset a funded account? Thank you for letting me know. Thank you. Thank you, Biocam. I appreciate it. reach out to them right now. Can you get the Discord link? Yeah, absolutely. I was gonna post that. I already had a brain cramp. Discord link there. Yo, Coach HID, what is up? Oh, nice little flag break here. What time is it? Oh, 10 minutes before the open though. I think I'll hold off. Kind of missed it there. Good little scalp. I mean, we could just push up through the news high or the data wick high. People get confused when I say data wick, but when I say data, it's the news candle. So definitely push up through there. Test that. Let's see. ES. All right. We never tested the data high news candle from yesterday either. The PPI. ES did not either. It tested the low but never tested the high. So we have two untested highs. Here. Two data candles. So would not be a bit surprised we don't at least blast through one of them. Well, we'll see. We will see. Alright. So how you guys doing this morning? You guys making any trades yet? You guys green or red or what is up? Alright, pushing right up through that bull flag. Boy, kind of wish I would have took it now, but just so close to the open. I feel like we run that wick, possibly. I don't want to chase it right now. So sometimes you guys ask if I like only trade inside bars, but I do not only trade inside bars. I do look at bull flags, bear flags, Harami candles, outside bars, things like that. Shameless new highs on the horizon. I tend to agree with you, Design. I feel like this could be bullish for now, just because I think we do run this wick here and then possibly test this high up here. But I'll just wait to see what the market's going to give me. I really try not to have a bias, but you know, it's kind of hard not to just see that those data candle wicks up there are just itching to be tapped. So just waiting at the moment. Nice, Isaac. The higher we go, yeah, John. I feel like there's something going, there's something brewing. I mean, there's just, we're gonna have a rug pull at some point, like we've never seen. I don't know. You're gonna see like a 4 or 5% down day or something like that, and then everyone's gonna be like, "Oh my God, I can't believe it!" And it's just, I mean, really, it's just we're just been so bullish. I mean, just look at this daily chart. I mean, unbelievable. Same with gold, and that's what makes me, that's what's a little crazy about it, is that gold at all-time highs as well. Usually it's a hedge, and it's just, I don't know, it's just kind of crazy. Hey, Top Dog, what is going on? Boy, I'm having FOMO wicked on that flag break. Looks like I'm gonna run that data high. Got a minute and a half before the open. I'm telling you, the only thing that can bring the world is, you know, it's the bullish war. Yeah, it is kind of crazy. I got, oh wow, John Wog, yeah, lost 600,000 in the S&Ps, just kept squeezing the tech bubble. Yeah, absolutely. Kind of the way it feels, right? Oh, I'm gonna run that high here. There it goes. Nothing for me to do at the moment. 30 seconds before the open. Good luck today, guys. Probably wait for the first inside bar. We'll take it. It's not a discretionary trade. It's systematic. So I see it, I take it. I believe that's all the news, right? Check. Yeah, 30-year bond at 1 o'clock Eastern time, but that's pretty much it. There we go, blasted through the highs now. Disciplined trader, what is up? Good morning. Smash the like button. You guys are just tuning in. Appreciate it. Market is open. 24,000 upcoming. All right, rejecting off the 24,000 psych level. Very often, this is for newer traders, very often you'll see it reject off those big psych levels, usually about 5 points. So they kind of front run it. I call it front running, and then they'll just sell it off just before the big psychs. Could just pull back here and then rip higher right up through it. But we'll see. We'll let the market settle down a bit and then wait for these inside bars. You long, nice John, off the 3-minute ORB. Or off a ORB. I feel like we blasted that 24,000, but it's a little scary at the moment. I like to wait till the market settles down just a bit. I get in trouble when I go in and just start pushing buttons, usually. But $23,990 now. Looks like it's gonna bust through there now. I've been watching this 3-minute just with my own the outside bars, haramis, and inside bars. Just kind of been watching it a little bit. Let me pull up ES up here. Let's go watch it. ES has not broken data high yet. I'm long on the ES. See if we can break that data high. For a quick little scalp. Teasing it, it's like looking at the 30-minute. All right, bust up through there. So I'm on an eval. Might find a future core eval. I feel like it goes now. Come on. All right, I'm full port. Come on. I don't have a stop. Just gonna see if we can bust through there. NASDAQ pulling back towards the VWAP. Well, I should have just went short. I would have passed this account, but still, pretty good high probability that we're gonna bust through that data high. I mean, I don't feel like we're gonna leave those equal highs up there. I know I never trade ES. I don't know what possessed me. I just see those equal highs being left and the data candle. I am in 3 minis right now, so if we bust up, if we just test that, it'll pass this account. But if we drop right here, I could get back what I was just up. NASDAQ did run it. But yeah, ES can wreck you just as fast, for sure. NASDAQ really pulling back now. That's not good. Alright, yes. Quit playing games and just go test that high, please. So a little bit of gamble. Took it some heat, but good thing this account doesn't have intraday trailing drawdown. We probably would have just lost it right there. It's the nice thing about end of day drawdowns. NASDAQ looks like it's gonna pull back though. You were in short, Oni? Nice. Nice trade. Come on, design. Market only goes up. Let's go. Let's push it. NASDAQ pulling back. ES kind of trying to hold up here. I might just get out of this, flatten this trade out. It's annoying. Yo, what up, Smokey? Spent 0 days whole salary yesterday on pro resets. Oh, yeah, a little write-off. Yeah, they can add up, though, for sure. Yesterday was wild. Damn it. Taking some heat right now. I was up 1,000, but now I'm drawdown $1,000. Just kind of looking for that high to be swept there. The data candle put in equal highs on the ES on the 30-minute, so poor high. I really think problem is I'm trying to think too much. I was up 4,500 4 times on 4 accounts. Just wanted the birthday 20K payout. Yeah, I had a day like that too, Smokey, once. It was I could have took a 10K top step payout and then or a 9K. I really wanted 10K, and I should have just left the 9K, and I ended up blowing the account like an idiot. That was one of the worst turnarounds I had. See if ES pulled him back to 23,911 on 9/11 and bouncing off 9/11. Market makers are playing games. Yeah, I might just close out this trade here. I want you to see what the NASDAQ does though. It's trying to pop now. ES is bouncing off the 52. I'm married to this trade. Mr. Greg, yeah. I mean, it's like I'm risking like 57 bucks. So that's kind of how I'm looking at the eval. I mean, it's a bad trade. It's a stupid trade. I'm not gonna lie about that. But yeah, I mean, this is something I would never have done in a personal account. But yeah, I hear you. Made back half my DLL. Yes, nice, Francis. All right, now do we push up through? Come on. I know, Smokey. Yeah, I hear you. Sometimes the money that you make and spend in this game, it's just like, it's like I could have bought a car or something, you know? So yeah, it's insane. The swings sometimes, but it's all good. It's like the cost of doing business, you know? I mean, a lot of people won't reset a take profit trader account at all. Everyone's at different levels financially or whatever, but like for me, it's, you know, if I'm trading well and I reset an account, it's not a big deal. Because like I've, you know, taken a 25K account, reset it, and made 10,000 that day, you know, so it's back to green. All right, sweep that high here. It's not gonna leave it this time. Come on, get up there. All right, taking off one or two. Let's see if I can get a runner. This is a stupid trade, to be honest, but lucky I have no capital back, right? Alright, I'm just gonna close it out there. So yeah, really dumb trade. I'm not proud of that, but we'll see. Let's go to NASDAQ now. See what's going on. Big outside bar on NASDAQ. I don't know. I'll probably wait for the first inside bar and then see if I can pass this account. I need well, like 12, 13 points. JC Trades in the house. What is up? It's Mo, bro. What is going on? Thanks for tuning in. Smash the thumbs up. All right, starting to push up here. Came down, tested 909. I was really kind of, I don't know, funny, but I mean, we bounced off 911. It is 911 today. You know, quite the day in history. But yeah, we literally bounced right off 911, like to a T. It's almost just like it did it on purpose. Do some giveaway. I don't have any business plans. I have no accounts to give away. Yeah, they've been really stingy on giving me accounts. Kind of weird. All right, let's see if we can get that first inside bar. This is equal highs here. Yeah, there we go. Pushing through there. So I do have a Take Profit Trader Pro account. Let's see, I haven't traded it yet either. Let me make sure I can activate it. Alright, pushing above this outside bar here. Get 24,000 just up there, just itching. Oh, John. All right, Design. Take care, man. Have a good day. This is discretionary. I'm gonna take a long here. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. There we go. Bang. Just pass that account. Let's go. So basically my thinking was just like, it was just trying to hold. It came back and tested this outside bar here. A little bit of a whip test. And just kind of closed my eyes and hopped in long. So past that core count. Now we'll wait for, we'll do this one here. So a little trick when I trade on Tradevate with My Finding Futures. Some prop firms don't allow you to do this, but My Finding Futures, what I do is I just go in and I set the risk settings $1,500 because that's 50% consistency, and that way when it hits it, it just closes it out like it did there. All right, now we wait. Yeah, John, yeah, it's a good tip. A lot of times, like if I catch a runner or something, and then I'll just set that, and then I just, I can just walk away. And if it comes and hits it, then, then you pass the account. So, Chris B, what is up? What's happening? Yeah, good. We just passed a core account, so that's cool. So it'll give me 3. So I did, if you guys are just tuning in, I did lock in 2 payouts. One on this core account and one on Buellanox. So be a good, I'm requesting about $1,800. It's not too bad. I mean, pay some bills. Not a monster. I ever get a glitch for a bit more than 1,500? If I'm in real heavy, John, it's not super quick, but not as bad as Project X. Like Project X, like you set these Project X profit targets or DL, like it always slips way past. Or yeah, some prop firms won't allow you. I think it's Take Profit Trader. You can't set those levels, but what's up, is Royal? Doing good. Just passed some accounts, locked in some payouts. We're doing good. Now we'll see if we can sling around this other core account. Got into big drawdown. It's just tuning in. I was up about 1,100 bucks. Oof, look at ES just ripped on the first 30-minute candle, and I bought the high, basically looking for it to go through and test that data candle, and it put it in the equal highs, but then really pulled back on me, so we got a little lucky on it. You done for the day? Let's go, His Royal. We'll never use anything related to MP. Yeah. What do you think about their new brokerage, huh? Hey, Yoma. What's going on, man? Left side, I only see my right side now. Yeah, that's true. Actually, I might be going to my other office soon, so switch my other office so you can see my left side. Right, yeah, I know, John. Yeah, that's funny. How you doing, Yoma? You doing any trading or still on break? How you been? Nice double top here, but still no inside bars yet. My other office, well, it's not my other garage, like Ty Lopez or whatever. My other. I'm in my other garage. Just in one of my garages here. Took no trades, no? Nice, you're back to trading, that's awesome. Oh, I trade every day, yeah. You know, if market's open, I'm trading. Absolutely. Trading's been okay for me, yeah. It's been okay. I kind of went through a little rough patch where I was just kind of hamster wheeling accounts, but it's been all right. Still got that 50K that I haven't taken a payout on since June 24th, still going strong. Oh, the Bulanox one? I actually just locked in a Bulanox payout. Third payout on the Buellnox. See if I can pull it up. Show you my stats. It's been pretty good. So I took a little L, but I pretty much just flipped it today. Yeah, I've had it. This is like one of the longer accounts that I've had. July 16th I've had it. And I've taken 2 payouts on it, and I'm working on the third. So well, actually I am getting a third. So it should be uncapped payouts after this, which I don't really know what that means, but nice, Yoma. Way to be patient. Yeah, you'll get there. I don't really know. Quite a bit. I mean, I don't know. Probably, I'm guessing 60. About like, oh, let's see. I was at probably 80,000 or something right now. Nothing too crazy. It's slowed down a bit. Thomas K's in the house. I actually don't really keep track. Yo, and that's full honest truth. I just don't. Oh yeah, but I mean I have expenses in there too, so it's not all profit. Oh shit. See, Yoma, you distracted me. No, I'm just kidding. First inside bar. Damn it. Oh. So this is my first inside bar trade. Oh, I'm so bummed. Totally get distracted there. No, it's all good. It's definitely not your fault, Yoma. Definitely not your fault. I was looking at other things too. Hit the 20 points too, almost. So anyways, the way I trade, so I really wanted to trade this this morning. I wanted to show you guys. So basically what I do is I'll just bracket above or below this inside bar here, the very first one of the New York session. I look for 20 points, which we just about hit the high of this candle. 83.25. Yeah, we hit it. So, and I just like 1 or 2 ticks above or below, and then I'll just put in a stop below it. But yeah, sorry, I missed it. It's worked really well this week. I don't know what the stat is, but I don't think it's I think it missed 1 day this week so far. Just copy trade me. Yeah, look at my first inside bar strat. It's very systematic if you want to take just one account. Not financial advice, but one account. I look for 20 points off it. It pays, you know, pays well. I did get a close above. Alright, I'm going to take it on this eval here, but the trade kind of played itself out. So please, like, do not follow this trade. This could be a disaster. This is on another eval, so this could actually smoke it. It's the FOMO playing in. Yeah, it's not gonna work. The idea is just take your 20 points and leave. Get a little lucky there. The only reason why I try to take this is because we did get a close above it. So, even though there was a big rejection. So, inside bar closed above it and kind of retested it. So, a little lucky so far on that stop though. Waiting for funding ticks to prove your payout, Vince. Yeah, I haven't bought any more evals or anything since that $35 one. They were doing that $35 deal. Come on. Get up there. They want to take the first inside bar, the initial break. I missed it. Nice, Mo. Nice. Right around 70 something percent, 75% if you look for 20 points static take profit. It's got a negative R&R usually, but yeah, today, I mean, it hit 20 points and now we're pulling back. I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna save the, oh yeah, stopped out. Yeah, that was the one I made most of the money on, this inside bar break here, his royal trades. But yeah, I'm a little bummed on this one. This one actually did work, but I missed it, and then I tried to get in on the retests and failed. Alright, I think we pushed down now, at least to the VWAP. Swept 24,000. It tested the, went above the data candle high. ES did as well. So this could be a rotation back down. So this eval is about toast. Let's see if we can push the button here. Get any back. Those stops are just not, they're just there for show. Feel like we pushed down into the VWAP. Well, this account's done. Alright. That eval is toast. Well, I missed the first inside bar trade. It's kind of a bummer. I just blew that eval. Wait for another setup. Thank you, Gary. It works even better when I take it. When I take it. See what I'm gonna trade now. ES still hanging up there at the highs. Initial balance being set in about 10 minutes. Let's see. Do I have a take? Let's see if I can get my Take Profit Pro account fired up. Haven't traded that yet. Well, hey, Jack Boom in the house. What is up? So, yeah, doing pretty good. Locked in 2 payouts, passed an account. Just blew an eval, unfortunately. And then green on all the, well, not green on all the funded, but this one's payout locked. So, but green on pretty much everything. There it goes. Now it's gonna go down. Oh, I can't sign into my. Take Profit Trader. Inside bars, yeah. Yeah, I missed it. I missed it. NASDAQ. That's what sucked. I had it. I mean, it hit 20 points. That's what I looked for, but I missed it. See if the NASDAQ can hold above the VWAP. I mean, do we push down and test data low now? The news candle low. Theta Gains, what is up? Thank you so much. All right, holding above the VWAP. Can't seem to sign into my, there we go. Trying to get signed into my Take Profit Trader account. Do we hold above the VWAP here? Feel like it wants lower. Looking heavy, but we'll see. All right, market's pushing up here. 968s. Got 5 minutes before the initial balance. Set. Try along here. Well, maybe not. All right, stop out. I was looking for momentum off this set. It's a pretty bullish candle. Had a nice close above. I was looking for a little momentum off from it. Probably gonna get it now. Let's get rid of those. Well, initial balance being set in about 20 seconds. Oh, sorry, Thomas K. You're probably not listening, but sorry, I missed your message. Thank you so much. I forget I have two chats up there. Streaming on a mobile and the PC, so horizontal and vertical. Hey, Cap, what is up? Good to see you. I still feel like we're pushing up. Crazy market, yeah, it is getting a little choppy. I admit. I'm just really bummed I missed my first inside bar entry there. I was distracted and missed it, and then I'm taking 2 losing trades after. But it's all good. There it goes. I literally got bottom ticked on that. Look at that. I literally got bottom ticked on that stop out. I was looking for the momentum play. I should have waited for the pullback, but building the buffer, just another eval. You got this. Thanks, Max. Appreciate it. Well, it's going without me now. ES, ripping higher, bringing the NASDAQ with it. Gold, currently, not really doing too much. Gold, it's YM doing. YM mooning as well. All right, market is just grinding higher now. Not really seeing anything. I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm a little bummed. So I missed my first inside bar trade. Tried one here, the long. I got bottom ticked. Did lock in 2 payouts today. Passed an eval. I blew an eval. But overall, not too bad. But I can just feel myself getting revengey. So I'm gonna call it there. Yeah, you know, Methodical, it was Yoma's fault. Sort of. He came in the chat and there's just, I was talking to him and then I missed it and I was just like, ugh. And then I've proceeded to take 2 bad trades right after, so I am gonna call it there. Thank you so much for being here. I did cancel on my funded futures to be here. I told him I didn't want to do it this morning, so. You missed it yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it hit just 20 points or so. But not too bad. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I'll be back 6 p.m. Eastern time tonight. Smash the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Use code PINE. 25% off resets. My funded futures. And Pine with Take Profit Trader, My Funded Trade Day, Tradeify. If you'd like to help support the channel, I appreciate it. I'm gonna leave it to that. All right, guys. See you later. Peace.